Welcome to Consumer Picks. The best window shrink film is probably one of the most effective and affordable solutions for sealing drafts and preventing heat loss during the colder months, transforming your home into a cozy sanctuary and significantly reducing your energy bills. This simple yet ingenious product creates an airtight barrier, blocking out the biting wind and keeping your indoor warmth exactly where it belongs, making it an essential tool for any homeowner looking to improve comfort and save money. Number 5. Duck Brand Indoor Window Insulator Kit. Tired of high heating bills? This product helps you reduce energy costs by insulating your windows effectively. Its crystal clear film heat shrinks to create a tight seal. This keeps out drafts and cold air, making your home more comfortable. The kit includes 62 by 420 inches of clear film and a roll of double-sided tape. It's everything you need for a complete insulation job. By sealing your windows, it helps increase your home's energy efficiency. It's a smart choice for both your wallet and the environment. This versatile kit is designed to insulate up to 10 windows. Each window can be up to 3 feet by 5 feet in size. What we like. This kit is perfect for larger homes with many windows. If you're looking to maximize your energy savings across multiple rooms, this is the ideal choice. It provides a crystal clear seal to keep your home warm and cozy all winter long. What people say. The film is easy to apply and creates a good seal. It effectively blocks drafts and keeps the room warmer. The clarity of the film is excellent, allowing plenty of light through. Number 4. Duck Brand Indoor Window Insulator Kit. Introducing the Duck Brand Indoor Window Insulator Kit. It's designed to create a tight seal, keeping your home warm and comfortable all season long. This kit features crystal clear film that shrinks with heat to effectively block out cold drafts. You get a virtually invisible barrier that helps increase your home's energy efficiency. Each kit provides ample film to cover up to 5 windows, along with double-sided tape for a secure and easy installation. Applying the film is straightforward. Simply follow the included instructions for best results on painted wood, vinyl, or aluminum surfaces. Please note, this product is not recommended for use on plaster, drywall, or unfinished wood surfaces. By sealing out the cold, this insulator helps reduce energy loss, potentially lowering your heating bills. Enjoy a more energy-efficient home. What we like. For those with a few less windows, this option offers a great balance of coverage and ease of use. If you need to insulate a smaller area or a specific room, this kit is a straightforward solution. Its clear film ensures you don't sacrifice natural light. What people say. This product is a great value for the money. The film was easy to apply and sealed well. It kept the cold air out and the warm air in. Number 3. Frost King V73 9H Indoor Window Kit. Introducing the Frost King V73 9H Indoor Window Kit. This product offers exceptional value for your home. It is designed to be highly durable and incredibly easy to use, making installation a breeze. This item is manufactured with quality in mind, ensuring reliability. While it provides a great seal, remember to remove it if you wish to open your windows during warmer months. Sunlight and everyday stress can affect the tape over time. For the best performance, consider reapplying the seal annually. A yearly refresh ensures a consistently good seal, keeping your home comfortable. What we like. If you're on a budget but still want effective window insulation, this pack offers excellent value. It's designed for durability and simplicity, making it a practical choice for year-round protection. Consider this if you prioritize long-term use and straightforward application. What people say. The film is easy to apply and creates a tight seal. It effectively blocks drafts and keeps the room warmer. The clear material allows plenty of light to pass through. Number 2. Frost King V76H Window Kit. Tired of drafts and high heating bills? Introducing the Frost King V76H Shrink Window Kit. It's the perfect solution to keep your home warm and cozy all winter long. This kit is designed for simple, DIY installation. Just a few steps and you'll have a tight seal that blocks out the cold air effectively. Enjoy unobstructed views even after installation. The clear film maintains the natural light in your room, so you won't even know it's there. Made with durable materials, this window kit provides reliable protection against harsh weather. It's built to last through the entire cold season. By sealing leaks and preventing heat loss, you can significantly reduce your energy consumption. This means lower heating bills and more money in your pocket. Measuring 84 by 110 inches, it offers ample coverage for most standard windows. Get the protection you need without the hassle. What we like. This option is ideal for covering larger window panes or multiple smaller ones with a single roll. If you have unusually sized windows or want the flexibility to cut the film to your exact needs, this is a great pick. It ensures a clear view while blocking out the cold. What people say. The film is easy to apply and creates a good seal. It effectively blocks drafts and reduces heat loss. The clarity of the film is excellent, allowing plenty of natural light. Number 1. Duck Brand Window Insulation Kit. Don't let the cold weather drain your energy bills. This kit creates an airtight seal to keep your home warm and cozy all winter long. Installation is a breeze with our easy-to-use shrink film. Simply apply, trim to size, and let the heat do the rest. No complicated measuring required. Enjoy a clear view of the outdoors even after installation. The transparent film won't obstruct your sight, maintaining the natural light in your home. When the season changes, this kit removes just as easily as it was installed. No sticky residue or damage left behind. This comprehensive kit includes enough shrink film and tape to insulate up to 10 standard-sized windows, providing great value for your home. You'll only need a pair of scissors and a hairdryer for a perfect seal. Ensure surfaces are clean and dry before application for best results. What we like. This kit is designed for ultimate convenience and adaptability. If you appreciate the ability to customize the film size for each window without pre-measuring, this is the product for you. It's perfect for homeowners who want a hassle-free way to seal drafts and save energy. What people say. The film is easy to cut and apply, and it creates a tight seal that prevents drafts. It effectively blocks out sunlight and reduces heat, making the room more comfortable. The film is durable and holds up well to repeated use, even in high-traffic areas. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.